about 15 minutes.
Thanks, Bogo. We'll see you then. More than 1,000 local students are bringing their A game to a robotics competition this weekend.
In fact, the qualifying matches are happening right now. Fox 4's Rob Collins is working for you from Metropolitan Community College's Business and Technology campus.
Well, folks, we've moved from the pits area to the main stage where business is about to pick up, and all these youngsters are about to put all their hard work to the test. Thousands of hours of work culminates right here. Chris Henson, he's from the Smithville team. Chris, tell us about your robot and what it took for you guys to get here.
All right, well, it starts out with the kickoff. We get the game announcement on what the game is, and then from then we have 6 weeks to figure out what our design is and build it.
All right, and you've done that. Tell us about your design.
So right here we have the collection, and what it does is it comes down and it brings in the balls, and it has 2 side flaps to make sure it doesn't, go where it's not supposed to go.
Sure.
And then we have this upper arm, which is where the ball goes, and then it goes up into the air to get a better elevation for shooting, and it shoots into where our goal is, which is a high up, like castle-themed thing.
A high-tech capture the flag kind of game, and the balls you're talking about, you shoot them into targets, and you score points as a team, and you're working against the other team to try to score the most points, right?
Yeah, it's really like other high school sports, though some people don't really consider it like that.
Definitely competition and definitely teamwork's what it takes to win this, right?
So much teamwork. Teamwork is such a big deal in this sport, in this whole foundation first.
And you're third year in this, and last year your team did pretty well on a national scale. So what did you learn from last year that can help you this year?
Well, we kind of got to look at what some of the better teams, longer teams have. Some teams have been around since the beginning. Lower numbers, they've been around since the thing started 25 years ago. And they just have a lot more experience. They get a better idea of what you're supposed to do. So we just kind of look at them and get an idea of how they do it, and then we adapt it to our strategies and stuff.
And for folks who maybe out there watching this at home have never seen one of these competitions, can you just explain to us what it is all about, how in-depth it is, and how cool it is to be a part of it?
All right, so, well, there's 59 teams here, and it all starts out, we have a full day today, Friday, of qualification matches, which they take the scores, they average out your scores, and qualifications go on all today, we get the top 8 teams. They take those top 8 teams, and they pick other robotic teams to be on their alliance, which is a group of 4 robotic teams. You have 1 backup, and then they put those guys into a tournament, and they get to the finalist, and when the finalist wins, they get the ability to go to Worlds, which is a huge deal.
All right, well, good luck. We hope you get there, and when you win, let us know, all right?
All right.
That's Chris. He's from the Smithville squad. Hey, folks, it's free. You can come down here and check it out. Really cool stuff. As he said, they'll hand out the awards tomorrow night for the big championship in St. Louis. Guys?
Thank you, Rob.
Well, if you could take just one